I have decided to upgrade my nvme SSD. I've chosen Western Digital 770 with 2TB of storage. During the unboxing I found this little thing over here, and I have no idea what it is. Let me know in the comments if you have a clue. Remove the glass panel. Unscrew the SSD. Out with the old one. In with the new. Get that click. Secure the screw. At that moment everything seemed fine, but I have noticed something. I made a mistake previously, and my back fan was pushing the air into the case, and side fans played an exhaust role. Change the orientations. Much better.